Hey Legacy Builders, welcome back to Mind Your Money. I am trying to catch up on my Vlogmas videos, so there may not be much editing here, and I hope I don't make too many oops, ums, and blunders. But this is my expense tracking video for the second week of December, specifically from December 5th through December 12th. When I last checked in with you guys, I started tracking all of the expenses in this spreadsheet from the 26th of November through the 4th of December because my December budgeting period started on the 26th. And we had a balance of charges $3,106.73. I need to close something quickly. I hope you didn't see that. Okay, so I'm just going to hide all of this. Before I hide, I need to update this spreadsheet to make sure it is calculating I, everything. I did it. I set up the calculations to go all the way to 103. I don't think we'll hit that far. So that should be fine. I can leave that as is. So I'm going to try and no, I don't want to hide all of that. I might just have to freeze a pane. I'm sorry if this is painful for some people who just came for the expenses. I just need to make sure I can still see the top row. And I don't remember off the top of my head how to freeze the pane. So I'm going to look for that. Yeah, here we go. So let's see if I can do this right. Freeze the top row. And if I did that right, nope, that's not what I want. I mean, I like to see that, but I want to see, well, yeah, let's do it that way. Let's just freeze this here, and then we'll go down to 47, and we'll start with the 5th of December. So 12/5. The transaction was basically the location where we spent the money. And then the category is going to be split between one of these purpose funds or just online accounts that we're spending from right now. This will change in January. So for those of you who are looking for how much did you spend on food? How much did you spend on groceries? How much did you spend eating out? Trust me, that is coming in January, if the Lord says the same. So miscellaneous is the category we use for everything groceries and food right now, even fun things, random things that popped up because we didn't plan for it ahead of time. Just like we didn't plan for this baby. God did, but we didn't. Was this balance paid or not? No, it was not paid yet. And you're not going to see the balance here. You'll see it up at the top when I finish. So also on the 5th, we went to Target and or I ordered from Target. I think I went to Target. That is going to be a household expense. And we charged $19.02 there. And we have not paid that back yet. So the answer is no. Also on the 5th, my husband went to Ace Hardware to buy a fixture for the bathroom. So that is also going to come from household. And the charge was $15.79, and that was not paid back yet. Um, to be very honest and transparent, I am getting a little concerned because we've been spending more money. And the only reason why oops, that's not right. The only reason why we've been spending so much money is because we need things, and we absolutely do need things. Food is expensive. There's no way around that. I mean, we can cry about it all day, but food is just expensive. Groceries, to order food, to go buy the food yourself, shop and pick it up for yourself, no matter how you need to do it, it's just expensive. Um, I did DoorDash of Starbucks because I was a little stressed out and hungry. And so my husband was like, "Oh, this is what you do." I said, "Yeah, well, I was stressed out." I spent $22.60 on that. I didn't pay that back yet. Um, and that was everything for the 5th. So then on the 6th of December, MTA was just one charge on that day, and that is coming from our transportation fund because it was a travel expense, and that was $40. I know someone commented, I don't remember if it was Sandra or someone else commented that I could pull all of the transactions from the credit card statement, but I don't like the way that shows up. It doesn't work well for me. And I like to talk through this. And so I'm sorry if I don't think the person meant it like I was doing something wrong. I'm just trying to make sure I stay on task. Um, and I can track it in a way that makes sense to me. All right. So there was DoorDash. I don't know where that was, but that's coming from miscellaneous. And the charge for that was $38.82. What did I buy? I know it wasn't paid back yet, so there you go. And then we have the 8th. So, nope. Sorry, I was lied. 12/7, there were two charges, one for DoorDash, one for Dunkin' Donuts. And that's coming from miscellaneous. The charge for that was 12.27. I bought myself a breakfast sandwich. I think I was on the road that day. Shop on the 8th, groceries. Oops, coming from miscellaneous for now, and that charge was 53.57, and we have not paid that back yet. And then also on the 9th, we had a few expenses charged, starting with Stop and Shop again. It's miscellaneous. We spent 23.41. No, not paid back yet. Also on the 9th, again at Stop and Shop, miscellaneous expense. We charged $138.24 for groceries, and that is not paid back yet. Let me see if that's two on the day, and then there was DoorDash again for Starbucks. Boy. Oh boy. Okay. And that was $17.64. No, not paid back yet. And then also another DoorDash for Walgreens. That was because I forgot to order, I forgot to pick up um, overnight for the little boys because my little boys still need to wear them at night just so we can keep our sheets clean. So that's what I had to order. And it was raining that day, so it was easier for me. So 12/11. We're going to start there. There were a few charges. There was an MTA transportation expense for $34. That was the weekly card. We haven't paid it back just yet. And then also a few more runs at Stop and Shop on the 11th for miscellaneous because it's groceries, $12.99. Oh, I know what that was. We were getting ready for my husband's birthday. And then Stop and Shop again, same day. I ordered groceries to be picked up, which was easy, but I think it's highly inflated. But what can you do for the convenience? You pay for the convenience, right? Um, that's that. And then Amazon on the 29th. That was a household expense. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to remember what it was we bought. Oh, um, remotes for the TV because they were broken. So we had to buy replacements. So that's a household expense. And then last but not least, on the 12th, my husband had to take our one of our sons to the dentist, and they stopped by to get some food that's coming from miscellaneous. He charged $5.29. That wasn't paid back just yet. And then also on the 12th, Dunkin' Donuts for his coffee, and that's miscellaneous. That was $4.89. That wasn't paid back just yet. And then two more charges. We have a Target run, um, or Target order, an online order. They actually delivered really fast. I think they're trying to, just make sure that they bring deliveries or they send deliveries. They make deliveries. I don't even know how to say it. They're sending the orders very quickly. So I ordered it, let's say on Sunday, and I got it on Monday. That was really fast. Also, we went out to eat to the Olive Garden. We paid 128.70. The food and the service was top notch. We loved it. It was really great. And we had a good time. We have not paid any of these back just yet. So I could go up to the top, but I'm going to see how much have we spent. Most of it on food from the 5th through the 12th. And that is a total of $740.09. Let me write this down because I'm going to keep a record in my budget by paycheck workbook. Not my budget by paycheck workbook, my simple budget workbook. 740.09 so far for the past 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8 days, 7 days, 8 days. Last 8 days, that's how much we have charged, and altogether 3,846.82. So getting prepared for baby, buying groceries is an expensive thing. But I really appreciate you guys for being accountability partners. I hope you enjoyed this quick update, and I'm going to try to stick to the Vlogmas schedule as much as possible. I do have videos that are scheduled for the 21st and the 22nd. So there may be a gap. I can't promise that I'll be able to continue this. I would hate to break the um let me see, the regular videos. I would hate to break that cycle because I think it's been going really well. But this is where we are right now. I have a lot going on, but hopefully this is me saying to you that I have done my part. I'm tracked everything, and we're gonna do our best to get this down. I have made some payments, but you won't get to see it because it's in my workbook. So let me go up and just check on that really quick so I can make adjustments. There was a $3 charge on the 4th at Paramount. Where is that? Here it is, right here. So this, we paid this back. So I'm going to change this to yes, but we use cash rewards. So that's how that's going to work. So this is taken care of, and I'm just going to insert color gray, not too dark. There we go. So I know this was paid back. And then $5.22 for a purchase made on the 29th of November. That was paid back. So this here, we'll change that from no to cash rewards because we did pay that back. And then I'll make that gray too. And $2.90 on the 1st. Let's see, that was taken care of. Here it is. No, $2.90 on the 28th. Sorry. We did take care of that. And I put yes, cash rewards here, but that means that was done. We took care of that. Small amounts, but thank God for those cash rewards too. All right. And I think that's everything for now. And I will check in again next week, um, just so you guys know what's going on. Thank you again for being here. Remember to mind your money, you guys. Manage it well and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now.